Potential boating under the influence. Joining us as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Good to see you guys tonight.
Listen, just glad it's Friday.
Made it through another week.
That's it. We're ready. We're ready.
We're not quite done yet, so we'll get to this question about boating under the influence. I was water skiing this year with a friend, and he was drinking and driving the boat. He came close to a buoy, and I hit the buoy and broke my leg. Do I have a case against my friend? Ed in Shavertown wants to know.
Yes. Shouldn't have been driving the boat drunk. You know, there could be an argument made that, you know, you're assuming the risk, obviously knowing that this particular person was drinking and driving the boat and you're water skiing behind it. But, you know, I mean, any way you slice it, you cannot drive a boat under the influence. And so, yeah, you potentially could have a case against your, against your friend for your injuries. Could get very messy, and they're probably going to raise, defense that, if your friend was drinking, you may have been, you didn't say whether you were drinking or not. So, but to answer your question, yes, you could have a case against your friend.
And if you take the alcohol out of it, you still can't drive a water skier into a buoy.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I think you have a good case. Your injuries are pretty significant. Hopefully the guy has insurance on his boat. If he does, it kind of works just like, we talk about auto insurance claims. It's very similar. We've handled a bunch of them, believe it or not. So it's like, it's very similar. You put the case together, you present it to the insurance company. If worst case scenario, you have to file suit, you file suit. But I think it's a decent case.
Yeah.
All right, those that want to talk to you about a legal question, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com. Hotline.
As we know, Dave, there is one person on this panel that's a boating expert.
We do. We really do.
It's that guy.
He's right there.
This guy right here.
All right, don't forget, results matter with the boater, the captain himself, Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, have a good night. Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law New Hotline are always open.